A commuter who started an online petition to get holiday decorations at the Holland Tunnel change pleads his case to the Port Authority. 2 wreaths and a Christmas tree now hang over the New Jersey entrance to the Holland Tunnel. The tree was placed over the letter N, but many drivers say the tree would look better if it was placed over the letter A, saying it's a better fit. More than 2,500 people who signed Corey Wendelsbeck's petition agree. He appeared at a Port Authority board meeting yesterday to fight his case.
It makes me anxious. It makes me angry when I see it. I want to get up there and pull it off and place it on the A myself. I think that would fit perfect on the A, and I'm confident that we're going to see some positive change for the Holland Tunnel for everybody.
Port Authority is expected to make a decision sometime after their online poll on the issue closes on Sunday. You can cast your vote by logging on to cbsnewyork.com. Because of all the issues.
We also have the issue with the wreath over the letter U,
yes,
which is
the
maybe
O,
next year's
tunnel rather than tunnel. I mean, there's so many things we could get into here.